Next tonight, some good news at last about manufacturing in Yorkshire. It's on the up, with more than half of our firms recruiting new staff, according to figures released today.
The increase is down to a growing trend of production being brought back here from places like China. Our business correspondent Danny Hewson is here to tell us more. Danny, it's over to you.
Thanks, Amy. Yes, 21% of the firms surveyed said they were actively planning or considering bringing manufacturing back to Yorkshire. That's compared with just 3% last year. The main reasons for it are shorter lead times, reliability, reduced costs and improved quality. I've been to see two firms who say they're already reaping the benefits.
6 years ago, staff were having to work short weeks to keep the company afloat. Today, Pyronix in Rotherham is booming. During the hard years, they developed a revolutionary alarm system. It needs precision manufacturing, and the best place for that is here in Yorkshire. So they brought production back from China and discovered cost isn't the issue people once thought it was.
It is true that it's much cheaper to have the workforce in China. But there are also hidden costs of if you need products urgently, you've got to fly them over. So it's really important when you're doing that comparison that you compare the whole. And if you improve your efficiencies, which we've been working very hard on this last year, then you can make it cost effectively here.
And it's a trend that has a ripple effect. As bigger companies move production back to Yorkshire, they need parts, and that spreads the wealth to smaller companies.
Smaller companies like Senior and Dixon. For the last 20 years, they've seen the steady drip of work heading east, but not anymore. And just when you should be thinking of retiring, the company's boss is having to expand.
Yes, we're getting a lot of people coming back. They can't tolerate the deliveries. They can't live with the fact that they're transporting a lot of fresh air. They have to warehouse it over here. They have to pay for it before they get it, and you're looking at 6 months lead times. So we're benefiting from that. Unfortunately, it's taken them all this time to realise it.
But realise it they have, and it's a trend that's expected to continue.
Generally, the whole stimulus package for bringing business back is working. Something like 21% of the companies in the region are thinking or actively involved in bringing production back to this country, which is excellent news.
News that means further investment and more jobs. Danny Hewson, BBC Look North, Rotherham.